We ready? Oh shit. A touch and go!
I'm gliding it in.
Bring it in. Right at me. Oh! No, I winged it with the Red Rider.
Oh my God, that was so intense.
I thought the pine tree had it.
Oh, buddy boy, how we doing? Good to see you, man. This is bad. Let's go, baby. Oh, it's a gold wing? Oh, free lawnmower.
It don't look that bad, huh, bud?
Got it? I'm actually psyched on this. Whoa.
Not bad.
Watch your step, Chuck.
Not good for drinking.
Perfect for drinking. You don't even have to drink. Before I started building the barn,
This was your spot.
this was kind of it. This was like
Chill
the
out down
hang
here.
and like, you know, basically just scrounged. This is kind of like to the heart.
It's like an adult fort, you know,
This
like
is the fort.
yeah.
This is an adult.
like as kids, I don't know about you, but like we built like these weird forts and like would go steal like Johnny's dad's plywood or
Yeah,
cut off or
yeah.
some 2x4s or some sticks.
And like kind of the shittier the better. There you go.
oh, Bueno Live, man. Is this the Bean Pro model?
New model, baby.
Dude, you're gonna catch every single one. Oh.
Oh my. How's that?
This is the first time I've ever stretched before I served.
Ever?
Ever in my life.
Shut up.
I don't think I realized, like, you know, the purpose that having a property would give me. Pinch myself, I think, every day. Just like to have like the kind of roots and endless work. I got insanely lucky. I live on the water. Like, I've created kind of my dream environment. With blood, sweat, and tears, man. And, you know, learning about myself a lot, making like a bazillion mistakes, getting crushed, and then like, you know, you finish a wall and you're like,
All right.
fucking hey, like that's
Yeah.
all right.
Woo. Yeah.
You know, like that
Feels
happened.
good.
It feels really good.
You can roll.
Yeah, good. You cut, I pin. Teamwork's the dream work. 91 3/4.
91
3/4, Chucky.
Yes, chef.
Wall one's done. Wall two, we gotta get up right to the window.
You know, we're putting in the work, but I gotta tell you, it's getting real distracting with those with the waves out back.
This is it. Hopefully, I mean, it's gonna change the winter too.
Ooh,
for
this
surfing.
guy's on a log jam.
Like, oh, we gotta go surfing. I'm happy with where we're at.
Toot, toot.
If the
Union
waves are
quitting
this good,
time.
we're out of here.
Wrap it up.
Yeah, done with it. Weekend for the books. We're in Dartmouth at the roastery.
Anchored being the name of the.
Anchored Coffee is the roastery, and then Yaya's Pizza upstairs. We're gonna do a batch of your coffee.
That's the Brad Beanie blend. We're looking for a coffee, easy to drink, not frig your whole palate up. Some coffee, it's like a moose took a dump in your mouth. That's not what we're going for.
We're labeling.
That's
We're bringing it to life.
I'm gonna put it up myself on eBay and just start fake bids, get it going.
We'll go upstairs, make a couple pies. I think we do pepperoni.
Pepperoni?
Yeah.
Oh, he's throwing it. I didn't see that coming.
You did it? It's all about the dough.
All about the dough.
Let's be real.
Good pizza, you nailed it. I think the dough is huge. I mean, just like on a sandwich, it's half the battle, if not more, right? And then just getting the best ingredients.
Yeah, good ingredients.
Good pie.
We did good.
Did a good job, Mark.
Yeah, baby.
It's the community part of it too, and like that's another piece of like why here is so special. I couldn't have done it without the people around me, and I give a massive amount of love and thanks to those people who've also helped build this place and make it what it is. That's a bigger part of the narrative. It's like this place is like holding a lot of people that I really care about.
We got a beautiful night. We got some friends hanging out with us, Dean. Stoked to apply some of my passions and talents. Over here, we got some produce from the farm and the Mangalista pork that they have. Got some halibut that they got in. Lamb shoulder that they raise right here in Nova Scotia over at Steve's place. But enough of that, man. Let me start cooking. And yeah, let's get going, baby. Follow me.
Lover of drugs and hater of booze.
We'll finish it with butter and some herbs, some garlic, if I can find it.
Why don't you stop?
Now, chef. Racks. This is low-key the best part. Happy animals make happy soil, which makes happy produce, which makes happy animals. It's just a big cycle. The friends showed up, the whole gang, and I like that, you know, cooking for people, hanging out with people, and,
Brings it all
and feeding them, man.
Yeah.
Like, it's really, it's a very human experience, and it's one that I like.
Yeah, same.
Till next time, babe.